Hi everyone! Welcome to our exciting journey into the world of words. Today, we're going to explore some very special words that we use every day without even realizing how powerful they are. These words are called modals. Modals are like the secret ingredients in a recipe that make everything taste just right. They add flavor and depth to our sentences, making our communication more effective and interesting. Imagine them as magic words that can transform the meaning of what we say. Just like a magician uses a wand to create wonders, we use modals to express possibilities, abilities, and obligations. We use modals all the time in our daily conversations. Whether we're chatting with friends, discussing plans with family, or even making decisions at work, modals are always there to help us convey our thoughts clearly. For example, when we talk about what we can do, we're using the modal can. When we discuss what could happen, we use could. And when we talk about what we should do, we use should. These modals are our trusty companions in communication. Now let's dive deeper into each of these modals and see how they work in different situations. Are you ready to unlock the magic of modals? Let's get started and have some fun learning together. Can is a powerful word. It's a small word, but it carries a lot of weight. When you say can, you're expressing your ability to do something. It's a word that opens up possibilities and opportunities. It tells us about ability. For instance, when you say, I can lift these weights, you are showing your strength and determination. Or when a student says, I can solve this math problem, it shows their confidence and knowledge. For example, I can swim. This simple statement means you have learned the skills needed to move through water. It's a testament to your practice and perseverance. This means you have the ability to swim. It's not just about knowing how to swim, but also about having the confidence to do it. It's about believing in yourself and your capabilities. Can also asks for permission. When you use can in this way, you are being polite and respectful. You are acknowledging that you need someone else's approval. Imagine you want to borrow a book. You see a book that interests you, and you want to take it home to read. You ask, can I borrow this book? This question shows that you understand the rules and are willing to follow them. It's a way of showing respect to the librarian and the library's policies. See how useful can is? It's a versatile word that helps us in many situations. Whether we are talking about our abilities or asking for permission, can is there to help us communicate effectively. It's all about what you're able to do and asking politely. So next time you use the word can, remember its power. It's a word that can help you achieve your goals and build positive relationships with others. Now let's explore the word could in more detail. Could is often used as the past tense of can. It helps us talk about abilities we had in the past. For example, you might say, I could swim when I was young. This means that swimming was something you were able to do when you were a child. This sentence highlights a skill or ability that you possessed in the past, even if you might not have that ability now. But could isn't just about the past. It also talks about possibilities in the present or future. For instance, you might say, it could rain today. This means there's a chance of rain, but it's not certain. It's a way to express that something is possible, but not guaranteed. Could is also very useful for making polite requests. Instead of saying, can you pass the salt? You might say, could you please pass the salt? This makes your request sound more polite and considerate, which is always appreciated in social situations. In summary, could is a versatile word. It helps us talk about past abilities, present or future possibilities, and make polite requests. It's flexible and helpful, just like you. So next time you're thinking about what you were able to do, what might happen, or how to ask for something nicely, remember the power of could. Embrace the flexibility of could and use it to enhance your communication skills every day. Should gives advice or talks about what's expected. You should eat your vegetables. This is advice for a healthy diet. The train should arrive soon. This means we expect the train to arrive soon. Should helps us make good choices and understand what's expected.